like to talk on what I learned on yesterday mass indoctrination. I learned that fasting is not something that we need to show off. It should be something that is done in secret. We shouldn't broadcast or let people know that we are fasting. Fasting for 3 days can regenerate the entire immune system. Fasting is an art we do together with prayer. When we fast, we should pray with it. But while fasting and praying, we should give unto the needy, show compassion to others, forgive one another, help the poor, clothe the needy. As husband and wife, if we are to fast, we have to come to an agreement so that we can abstain from sex. But after that, we can still come back to it by agreement. So, husbands should always love their wife as their own body, and since they won't want to hurt their own body, they shouldn't hurt their own wife. The good character of a woman can change the heart of any man. Women are expected to cover their head because the husband is the head of the home, as Christ is the head of the church. A man is not expected to cover his head. So, I also learned that at the time we want to pray and fast as husband and wife, they should always abstain from sex, like I have said from the beginning. So, this is what I've learned. Thank you.